this is my entry for Monday. I don't know what day, but diba I went sa AUT kahapon. I was gonna go city, pero nagising ako with my allergies. Nag-flare up yung allergy ko, so sabi ko, I need to do my presentation anyway, so pumunta lang ako ng AUT. I started studying ng around 9:30. Tapos 9:30, and then ano bang ginawa ko? I was just going through my like nagbabasa, nagsa-search lang ako. And I kind of finished my slide kahit na I need to add a little bit more. Tapos like hindi ako yung yung dessert ko nung Saturday, di ba pinlastic ko siya, yung mga tira-tira kong dessert. Yun yung baon ko kahapon, and I had sinigang, pero I left it in my car kasi sabi ko, I don't think I want to eat. Sabi ko, kaya I left it here. Tapos I finished yung mga dessert ko ng super early. Like, I finished it around 11. So, from 9:30 to, tapos, yun na ginawa ko the whole time dun sa AUT. Sometimes I would go on my phone, pero I actually locked in. I was so locked in kahapon. It was kind of crazy. Usually when I study, I would watch sa iPad ko or like sa laptop ko in like a split screen of something. Pero kahapon, I was just listening to music. Tapos, like, both of my screens are, this one's yung document ng annual report, and this is my, like, slides, yung OneNote ko to do notes. It was, I was so pressured siguro, and, like, parang, hindi ko alam, like, I actually want to finish it kasi I'm scared na, baka nakatapos na sila, tapos ako hindi pa ganun. Because it was supposed to be due nung Sunday night. But then everyone was like, oh, I'll probably do it tomorrow. So I was like, okay, I'll do mine tomorrow too. So, yun yung nangyari. I decided to leave around 4:30 or like 4:40 around that time, because I wanted to go for a walk, which I did. Kasi while I was on my way, I saw how traffic it was. Well, not really traffic. I didn't really see it, pero I was on the wrong lane. Nung papunta ko sa may motorway, sa may Redoubt. So I was like, nagtuloy-tuloy na ako dun pumunta sa Mill Road. And I thought, okay, maybe I'm just not gonna walk today. Then I was like, oh no, cause the sun was out after, like, it rained in the morning, tapos the sun was out. So I was like, no, this is a really good time to go for a walk. So I was like, nung nasa Mill Road na ako, I turned right sa may papunta ng Manarewa. So, and then, yun, pumunta ko ng Botanical. I only walked for 20 minutes, something like that. Kasi, like, siguro 10 minutes in, it started sprinkling na. Pero, yun lang din naman, 30 minutes lang naman sabi kong max, because it was already 5 nung when I got there. And I kind of want to go home early because Ate Hannah messaged us yesterday afternoon that we were allowed to use the Central Church to practice for the youth concert. And the practice is around 7. So sabi ko, oh my gosh, ang dami. So sabi ko, okay, I need to go home early so I can poop. And maybe we can leave early para maglinis. Pero we didn't. We left around 7, tapos nakarating na kami sa Central ng 8. But before that, you know how I left my food here? Tapos, nakita ni mama na may dala ko ng baonan. So, I cannot just go home with it untouched. So, I did eat here for like kumain ako ng konti. Tapos, yun nga, pumunta na ako ng botanical. There was like no people at all. But it was kind of scary too because I know I did said na the sun was out, but it's just that the sky's clear and the sun's like not really out. But it was okay. I were able to go for a walk and then went straight home. I did finish my food sa bahay. Tapos, I had yung bangus ni mama and a little bit of her pancit. Tapos, we left na. Tapos, nag-practice kami. Pumunta kami ng Central. We all got there at the same time. So, we're not really late. Julius played one song. I played 2 songs sa piano. Kahit na, at least, ano lang ako, like, diba, there's like a main piano and then merong isa dito na, I don't know, usually that's for apprentice, but I was like, okay, this is fine. At least, hindi ako mapapressure ng super. So, we did that. We wasn't able to practice the last song though, because it's like a new song and no one really knows how to play it. Kaya, we just practice on ourselves lang. Tapos around 9:30, we left na din. Kasi, nga, hindi kami nakapag-practice for the last song. So, yun, nakauwi na kami ni Julius. And, oh my gosh. Ano ba? Like, I know, hindi ako mag-aaral pag uwi ko. Pero I kinda did, like, gaslighted myself na, like, parang sabi ko na, mag-aaral ka siya kahit konti, like, magbasa-basa ka. Pero, hindi ko yung ginawa. I did read, pero binasa ko yung fanfic ng Go Ask the Neighbors. They uploaded the last chapter kahapon. Or like, nung Sunday, I think. Tapos kahapon ko lang siya nakita. Because usually, when they uploaded the new chapter, I would see it sa Twitter na, this, like, uploaded the chapter, ganun. Pero wala ko nakita. But I did check, and then, in-upload nga. And, oh my gosh, it was, bro, that's a 9 out of 10. Like, the whole structure, like, the story, the plot, was not really a plot, pero like, it was so well written. It was really good. I did that, tapos I just went to sleep after. I think I slept around 12 or 1 na. I'm not sure. Because I did shower pa after we got home. So, mga 11:30. Doon ako natapos ayos na. That's pretty much how my Monday went. I didn't really do much. All I did was sit sa AUT. I sat there for about 8 hours almost. Oh my gosh. But yeah, that's what I did. Boring? No. My feeling is, I'm not really, no, I'm not gonna talk. Well, I should. I guess hindi pa ako super ready to open. This is just me. It's just so hard to like admit it to yourself din siguro. But I'm here. No, never mind. It's okay. Bye!